Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Today we'll be unboxing the BENQ e-reading lamp. So that's what it looks like. Has an extra arm here. Some details here on the back. I'm going to quickly scan over that so you can see what's inside the box. And what else could it do?
Well, if you touch and hold, if you take that box away for a second, this metal ring here, this can both turn on and off the lamp. In addition to, if you press and hold this, this can control both your brightness and the temperature of the light that you receive from this BENQ e-reader lamp.
So this part here is the control piece?
Correct.
And then this part here is the control piece?
Yes, for your brightness and
color temperature.
Color temperature.
And what we like is that the lamp is curved. It's not just a straight down lamp, so you get more lighting on your desk with the lamp. You wouldn't think of lighting for your desk to be important, but with this BENQ version, the e-reading lamp, you have an intelligent way to control both the lighting and the color temperature.
And since it is at an angle, you have quite a bit of angle that you can receive light, and most of the times it'll go completely over your monitor.
And you'll have light on your keyboard as well as your mouse or control area and a side reading area as well. They call this the e-reading lamp from BENQ.
And if you look at this, it has an arm, so that arm can articulate and go up or down, left and right.
This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter, and if you need an e-reading lamp or a lamp for your desk, give the BENQ Genie reading lamp a try.